1997 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.7 liter V8. Still got the factory catalytic converters there and there. Then it comes factory dual, true dual, into a single muffler outlet and dual inlet. So we replaced it with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS right there. They didn't want it too loud, he wanted a growl, but deep growl. And continued it with 2.5-inch tailpipes, mandrel bent right there and right there, into 4-inch double wall tips right there and right there. There she is. So it's true dual all the way back. Came out really nice, really pretty. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 1998 Chevy 1500 Silverado. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Still got the stock catalytic converters. It comes factory dual, true dual, all the way back. And we continued that process with a FLOWMASTER Super 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to purchase one. Into 2.25 tailpipes. And then into 3.5-inch angle cut tips. Right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Is that exactly what you wanted?
Yep.
All right. There's the stock muffler that came off of it. See how it comes in with a dual inlet? Again? What you guys hear on the inside? Oh. That always makes me feel good. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments if you like this sound. Because I sure do. Let you guys hear on the inside. True dual.